Guys, good morning. I'm on my way home now from jogging. That's my daily routine. Ang dami kong view, guys. Dili pa hambog, nindot kayo nga view. See? Pag hindi akong buhaton, guys. Basta na lang ko yung time, mag-hike yung okay. Ito ko ay katabang sa kuwang health. To lower my cholesterol. Sa uban pang mga abnormal nga results ako ang lawas. That's why I do jogging every morning to keep fit always. Good morning, guys. God bless.